This here's a good little side hustle. Now I got this, I bought this, I've only paid like 130 bucks for it. I used the legs off my other one. I already burnt one up. It lasted me like 10 years or so. I used it on all kinds of stuff. I never made any money with them like I have with this. What I'm doing is cut and trim and putting it on Facebook and selling it on Marketplace. Now these boards here, I paid, I think it was like $4.19 for them. Went to Lowe's. I kind of like Home Depot's wood a little better. I get about 10 pieces out of this. And carve them down. I got this on about 1/4 inch. Just a little less than 1/4 inch. At 1/4? Yeah. And you just got to focus while you're doing it, because you'll mess it up in a hurry. I'll make a little noise here. Like I say, you'll mess that up in a hurry. It'll be either thin or thick. Just keep it as best you can. Like I say, you gotta keep your mind on it. I was thinking about being recorded and almost went off course. You'll mess it up in a hurry. But I put these online, $2 a piece. I'll carve that up, and like I say, I get about 10 out of them. I got actually 9 out of that one. This one broke. I got one busted. I don't know if you can see it. I got one busted here. Try to watch when you buy them for the knots. That'll make them weak. But I just threw them on there. My back was a little sore, so I just threw them on there. You just gotta, it's like being on a ladder. You just gotta remember where you're at, Bo. Don't get your fingers cut off. Right there, I just turned $4.19 into $20. So that's pretty good. Like I say, you just gotta remember where you're at. Don't get cut, and focus on keeping it straight, because if your mind starts to wander on any stupid little thing, you end up going off a little bit, and then you scrapped a piece. It costs you $2. But I don't know. I'll try to get some tips going on here, how to be independent, Bo, because that damn working for the man just really don't make no damn sense. I mean, it's great to start out, but you should always be trying to get ahead and worrying about learning things and trying to make money on your own damn terms. I mean, that's the way I'm starting to like it. And there you go. Nice fresh batch turned, we'll just say 5 boards into 50 pieces. More importantly, turned about $20 into $100. Now that's $2 a piece I'm sure living in town, or like if you live in Augusta or a bigger city or whatever, I'm sure you get $3-4 a piece out of them things, because they're like 11 bucks with a little primer on them at Lowe's. Now, like I say, watch for knots when you buy it. If the board's kind of sticky and heavy, it's going to be harder to cut. I'll tell you here, it's good trim, you know, I mean, especially here in the mobile home capital of the world, South Carolina. But like I say, that's how I pay my electric bill, and put some money in my damn pocket. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's dang money on your own terms. That's the kind of stuff I've been talking about. Check out my ebook down below, how to create an ebook. I don't know how much more you need to see, but like I say, there you go. There's your little side hustle. And the best thing to do is, like when you put the ad on there, take like pictures of them, and then take a tape measure and stretch across it. Take pictures of the tape measure. That way they ain't always like, what size is it and all that stuff. And if they do ask, which sometimes they do, then you just tell, you know, send them pictures again. But it's a pretty good deal. I mean, you make some damn money at it. That's another thing too. I was taking these and adjusting it out and ripping it in half. I'd rip them in half, and then I'd get $2 a piece out of each half of it. I'd rip it down the middle, and I'd put these, when I'd remodel, I'd put these on the ceiling and like the corners and the floor, and then the ones I ripped in half, I'd put up the pieces of the trim, or between the paneling. Now I've remodeled 3 or 4 trailers, more than I want to even take claim for. But anyhow, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is the first video I guess I've really gave you any instructions and stuff to do. Most of the time it's just advice about doing your own thing and all that stuff. But right there, now that's making money on your own terms. And I know paying $4 a board and getting $20 out of it may seem like you dang cheating a little bit, but you get used to that, because like I said, you can probably sell them $3-4 a piece, because you go to Lowe's and things are like 11 something for one of them, and they got some kind of like real light primer on it. But like I say, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more things on here I do for side hustles. Peace out.
If you woke up broke, your ass should have never went to sleep.
Okay. I don't know what you heard about me.